Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Pubg and going straight to Settings. This is where control mapping lives. Once there, tap Controls, then find Event Power or Key Bindings. Different clients label it slightly differently. You'll want a controller or touch layout nearby because you'll test immediately. Make sure to disable any conflicting macros or system key locks so your new binding can register. Now, keep the game unpaused and focus. The next step is assigning the actual button. You select the Event Power action and enter Binding Mode. This is where you tell the game which input triggers the event. Tap the controller button or drag the on-screen button to the desired area and deliberately avoid keys already in use. Conflicts cause misfires. After assigning, press Save or Apply, then immediately test in a live arena or practice match. If it feels awkward, adjust position or sensitivity in small steps, then save again to lock the change. You finish by testing the new Event Power button under real conditions. Use a quick match or training mode so you see timing and responsiveness. If the button doesn't work, check for conflicts with other bindings, active overlays, or input drivers. These often block input. Once corrected, save a backup layout or screenshot your settings. If problems persist, clear the game cache or rebind from scratch. Only reinstall as a last resort, because that's time-consuming and usually unnecessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.